After Happy Gold passed a 100k challenge fully automatically, I placed it onto a funded account and a live account, and it just keeps on profiting. So I simply had to try another EA from the same vendor, and I found a great expert advisor. It is called the Happy Forex, and it is trading Aussie and Euro Swiss on hourly chart, and I already have profit of $83.50 on a $1,000 live account. Alright, $1,001. And if I show you the open trades, you will see that currently I have two open trades, one short trade with Aussie dollar and one long trade with Euro Swiss. It is very interesting for me how the strategy behind the robot works. So if I go back to the Aussie in the history, these long trades, you'll see that the first trade was opening here, then it opened again, third one, fourth, and a fifth time, and then all of these trades were closed at that point. So basically it adds to the position, but pay attention, with the same lot. It's not a grid martingale system that will risk your account, but it just adds to the position with the same amount you started. And obviously if it hits the right direction from the first time, it will simply close on a profit. And before that we have a short example. So right in here you can see that it opened 3 short trades that were all closed on a profit. And after testing the expert advisor on a demo account, I decided to put it on $1,000 live account, and I started trading it with 0.02. But after having a chat with the vendor, they suggested that I should be trading it with 0.01 in $1,000 account. Now don't take it as a recommendation, I'm just showing you transparently the results. And if I show you the FX Blue, you will see that I started on the 18th of March and the account is just growing steadily. Only one losing trade that brought me a loss of -77 cents. And if I show you the vendor statistics, it is just unbelievable. Look at that. From August 2022, it gained 75%, but look at the graph. Such a steady graph, and that is $1,000 live account. If I show you the performance in months, you will notice that February was positive with 2.11, positive January 3.91, and as well you will see that in 2023 there was no losing months, and same thing in 2022. However, the latest trades are from the end of February, and I'm recording this video at the beginning of April as you saw. And my MetaTrader, these trades happened during March and now the beginning of April. So I'm not sure why there were no trades executed in the vendor's account during the last 1 month, and it says that it was updated 1 minute ago. However, they have so many accounts, so I will try to find another track record that is showing the most recent performance, so I can put it down below in the description. But as you know, I don't trust anybody, so I will leave for sure my account with the Happy Forex, so whenever you're watching the video you'll see how it is performing. So far I am happy with the results, and most importantly is that it does not add higher amount, but it adds with the same volume, which is kind of a recovery system but not an aggressive grid martingale system. And if I compare it to the Happy Gold, you will see a totally different performance. This is the vendor's account, and if I show you my small $200 live account, you will also see a very different performance. And this is because the Happy Gold is a scalping robot, so it opens just 1 trade per time, and obviously with scalping robots we may see drawdowns and stagnations, while with this recovery system the Happy Forex achieved this steady growth with the vendor, and so far it's been profitable in my account. All of my live accounts you can find on eatradingacademy.com, and here you will notice that I started tested another Happy EA. It is called a Happy Brexit on a new $1,000 live account, and I just had an open trade, but you can see that the Happy Gold brought me above 8% in the last 30 days, and the Happy Forex brought me above 8% as well in the last 30 days with this $1,000 live account with Eightcap. And it is vital to trade with a huge regulated broker, especially if you are trading scalping robots, because you need tiny spread and fast execution. Of course, the broker should be regulated. This is a must, and you can see that Eightcap is regulated with a few entities. Also, they offer different trading accounts. With the raw account, you will enjoy spreads starting from 0 pips, but there is a commission, while with the standard account you pay no commission, but the spreads start from 1 pip. With both of the accounts you can start with $100. And if I go back to my live account with Eightcap, you will see that indeed I am not paying any commissions and I'm still profitable. And even though it's a scalping robot and I'm paying the spread, I'm still making money. So this is why a trusted, a huge and a regulated broker is a must when you want to trade with scalping robots. But this account I've been running since the 12th of March, and the last trade closed on the 3rd of April, so it is less than 1 month, but it achieved above 8%, even though I decreased the lots 0.01. So leave the link down below in the description, so whenever you're watching the video you will see how the Happy Forex Expert Advisor is performing, and I will be happy to hear your feedback down below in the comments, guys. Before you go, check out this video on my site to learn more about the Happy Gold, which is the first EA I tested from the vendor. As always, trade safe, don't forget that I love you guys, and I will see you in the next video. Cheers.